Has a lot of rajas. A lot of rajas.
Rajas, tamas, rajas, or then it becomes sato.
Sato. Up.
Or then
Upper becomes sato.
now then balance, harmony take place.
Ah, that's
These are symbols just reminding who we are.
we
Through
are a
archetype
channel. We can
of
become
outer
empty
world.
channel for the power to work through us.
Anyway, this is all about the geographical archetype, which says, which indicating that you are that one. बाहर से जान लो, अंदर से
It's
जान लो, एक
enough
ही
to look
पाओगे.
inside without thought, and then you see the order, cosmic order inside the plant.
Then you can
Full emptiness,
connect yourself
potentiality,
with the root. This is the
the root
symbol
of oneness.